just talk a little bit about how to actually launch a Dragnet Marketing video page. Now these video pages, they basically, each video page demands that you have a separate email address for the username. So the potential is here to go ahead and launch 20 or 30 video pages, but you would have to go through the process of actually launching a new address for each page. So I'm just showing you how to do that on Gmail. And you probably are very familiar with how to do this, but just for those of us who haven't done it in a while, it's very important to be able to launch these pages that we are able to do, just email address after email address. So why would you actually want to launch numerous pages? Well, maybe that you're going to create your entire website just out of video pages, or possibly that you may represent a school team or a school that has numerous teams, and you may be managing a couple of maybe a football team and a volleyball team and a basketball team, just a scholastic video for each of these teams and do a page for each one of those. Or you may even just want to network companies together and professionalize in that, and maybe make a few dollars doing video series to populate these pages, and then have some suggestive influence over how they network together. But in any case, we're just about done here with this part of the process, and we'll launch this new email address. We're just going to call it dragnetmarketing1@gmail.com, and that'll also become our username as we go ahead and launch a video page from our mother site. So here, this has been successful, the launching of this new email address. So let's go to seattlecharitynetwork.com right now, and the company's link is where we host the controls for the entire Dragnet Marketing video page system right now. And you see where it says sign up here? You can go ahead and go there and get able to log in and launch a video page from there. But let me show you, if we go back, there's a list of pages that are already launched here, and we'll go to one of these independent video pages. Let's go to Portfolio Paint, and notice here that over on the left side of the page, right under the scrolling box there's that get a video page link. See, if you click that link from any page, you can go and go ahead and launch yourself a new video page. So let's do that. Let's just type in dragnetmarketing1@gmail.com. Now that's the username and also the primary email address, and then the password. We'll just got to confirm that, and then click the sign up, and right away it'll send a email to that account. So congratulations, thank you for signing up. Now you have to activate. So let's go to that email account over at Gmail. So we'll go back to the Google homepage, and there's the Gmail link up in the corner, and see if we have anything in our inbox. Yes, there it is indeed, account activation. So we go there. Thank you for your interest. Thanks for signing up. You may log in at the admin site, but activate your account first. So click this link and activate. There we go. Now this little box pops up. Your account has been activated successfully. Now you're being redirected to the login page. So here's your first look at the Dragnet Marketing login page for your personal video page. So the username, remember, was the email address, dragnetmarketing1@gmail.com, and put the password in here, and it should get us right into the admin so that we can go ahead and set up our video page. And sure enough, here's the administrative section. Now there's two very important links here: add company info and edit company info. In order for the page to actually appear on the World Wide Web, we do have to name the company, and that's this box right here, company name. We'll call it Dragnet Test Page, and once we've named that, then suddenly this thing appears, and it can actually you see it online. The company address is important for us to locate you if we have companies that are interested in advertising on your video page down the line. I don't know if you are getting some traffic, or if you have a page that looks like it would be good to network with. But here's the company welcome message. I just put that in. That's testing the company welcome message. I just wrote that in there. And then here in company description, testing the company description. And then we'll just add the company info. We've got to click that link. And you'll notice up at the top that red text appears. It's been successfully updated. So now we'll edit it. We'll just click back in so we can go edit it. And we'll change the spelling of the. And maybe we'll, I don't know, maybe we'll center this. There are some, okay, we'll make it bold and maybe make it a little larger. But, you know, there are some controls, some editing controls on here that we can help to spruce up your presentation. But okay, so your details have been successfully uploaded. So let's actually now let's go look and see if we can find this thing on the internet. And remember, it was on the company tab where these things actually appear, these pages do. So go to the companies tab, and down at the bottom of the list, there it is, Dragnet test page. That's good news. So let's go and see what it looks like. Alright, there's no video on it, but there's the name, Dragnet test page. And there's our, remember we changed the size of that, testing the company description. There's that, it's appearing and scrolling as it should. We scroll down into the welcome message. It says testing the company welcome message. Alright, well everything seems to be working appropriately here. Let me show you the top of the page. You're going to be able to edit the header in here. You're going to be able to edit each of these links and point them to where you want them to go. I mean, right now they all just go back to Seattle Charity Network homepage. But you'll be able to point those. I'll show you those controls in the control panel. But every one of those 6 links you'll be able to edit independently. But let's go back to the admin page now. Remember, seattlecharitynetwork.com/admin. That will always get you back to where you can log in and do your editing, manage your pages. So we'll just go back there, type in the username again, and then type in the password, obviously. And let's just take a look at the controls a little bit more closely, the management side of things. We did mention link management. Let's look at that. Now if you click that, you'll notice that there's a spot for you to edit the home, the info, more, news, about us, and contact us. You can point those links anywhere you want to. Then header management, here's where you can go ahead and just add a header. You can browse for a pre-prepared image that you've set up. It tells you what size to make it and everything. And just load it up. Here's the advertising management. You can add an advertisement image. You browse for that the same way as you do the header, and then once you find that, you upload that, and then over here you can actually point that image. It becomes a clickable link. You can point that advertising image to whatever destination on the World Wide Web that you so desire. So I just pointed to dragnetmarketing.com, but let me point this out, that you don't need the www dot on there. And the page recognizes everything else. So really that's basically it. Thanks for your attention, and we'll look forward to sharing some more information with you in our next video.